everyone. It's been a long time. I've been meaning to make another sketchbook tour for like, I don't know, 2 years now. And what happened was I actually went abroad to study. So I spent like a year out of my country studying animation and art, and because I got a scholarship. But anyways, as you can see, the sketchbook is from 2023. So it's been a long time, but I'm finally bringing it to you. And you can also see that I started like gluing random stuff to my sketchbook because I wanted it to have like more personality. I felt like my sketchbooks, they were like pretty fucking boring, and that made me sad because, you know, I always love watching other sketchbook tours and people sketching in general, and people say the neighbors grass is always greener. Sorry, that's like a Portuguese Brazilian Portuguese like saying, but yeah, I mean, you're always gonna think like other people's work are gonna be better than yours. But yeah, I started sketching my OCs a lot, and it's actually nice to bring like some random stuff to you, like about my characters. Right now I think I'm going to like this like art blog, and I haven't been drawing them as much. I'm also like I don't really know where I'm going with my story direction. I'm thinking of rewriting everything. So yeah, that's fun. But anyways, I also have some fan art here and there. I've always used like post-its to make corrections and stuff. At that time, I think Chainsaw Man Part 2 had just released, and it was like I don't know, it was hype moments and aura. And it's crazy to think that it started when I started the sketchbook, and the story's over now. So we don't talk about that anyway. We don't talk about the Chainsaw Man Part 2 ending. Also, like I really like drawing Pink Panthers ever since like 2021, I think, or 2022. I don't remember, because like I used to listen to her ever since she started making music. But I don't know, she kind of became my muse. I always loved her look with the braids and everything. Anyways, I also have like, I don't know why I glued so much Reagan on the sketchbook, because I wasn't even like hyper fixated on Mob Psycho, but okay. Anyways, I was very into Chainsaw Man. Like, of course, there was Part 2, but also like I've been into Chainsaw Man. I also like doing some studies, and I also have like the Lock Tone fan art. So it's a book series, and it's so nice and fun. I liked it a lot because it's basically lesbians in space. I mean, that's what the book says anyways, but we have some more OC stuff. Like, I was also doing a lot of gay shit because this is embarrassing, but I have like this OC couple, and they're so cute, and I was having a moment. I was like, oh my god, love is real, guys. Also, happy Pride Month. Oh my god. Anyways, I was gonna say, I like writing on my sketchbook a lot. I mean, I bring it with me everywhere, so if I need to write something, especially in 2023, I was still in college, so I was writing a lot of stuff. Oh, also, Witch had added later fan art since the anime is being released now. I love the series so much, and I wanna make more fan art because I've been a fan for like quite a long time, I guess. I don't know. I just glued this bayonetta. What was I doing? Anyways, I think this sketchbook is really when I started. Also, this is satirical, okay? The yaoi hands and shit. Okay, but as I was saying, I started gluing shit to my sketchbook. And of course, as always, when you begin doing something, it looks a little weird. It looks kind of off. It doesn't look that well, but I started to learn. I also watched Monster during that time. I was a really big fan because I really related the story to my characters, and I was like, oh my god, it's just like my story. This page was like some friends OCs, and then it's back to my OCs. I was very like OC pilled that year, which is great, by the way, because this year has been like a tragedy. I was gonna make an illustration there, but it didn't work, so it's just like some random college. Oh, this is the Locktomb fan art. And then we have Silent Hill. I mean, I've always liked Silent Hill, so whatever. We have some Lexi Lou. I actually started listening to her during, like in late 2022, I believe. And yeah, there we have it. It's done. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.